Hi, it's Bill with the Home Premier team. Today we're here at Shears2You, a local salon and spa. Let's go inside and take a look.
Hi, nice to meet you. So 8 years ago, we opened Shears2You, and we started small in a location just up the road. And 2 years ago, we moved to a larger location, which is where we are now, and we expanded our services that are all natural and organic for everyone in the family. So right when you walk through the door, you don't smell any harsh chemicals or anything of the sort. We give exclusive attention to all of our clients. It's always like more of a one-on-one experience so that the client feels that they get the attention they deserve through the service that they booked with us. I love the Lehigh Valley because there's so much to do, there's so many unique businesses, and we thrive because we are organic and people come to us because they don't want to sacrifice their health for beauty. The clients that we bring in here really actually love our aesthetic, and in general we get a lot of clients that come in specifically for the organic hair color because they've had issues in their body or on their skin with traditional hair color irritating them or making them lightheaded, headaches, making them sick, and of the sort. Our products are out of Europe, and Europe's standards for organic and all natural is way more strict than anything in the United States is by organic standards. We can ensure that everything is not harmful to your body or skin and is completely non-toxic so that we ensure the health of our clients and anyone who walks through the salon.
Thanks for watching today's episode. Please like, comment, and make sure you subscribe and hit the bell button so you don't miss any future episodes. And share with friends so we can pass the word around.